Hello students, this is Ashish Pegadwa. Today we will learn terms related to AC sine wave in the subject AC circuit. Let's move to the content of this subject. In this topic, we will learn various definitions like cycle, frequency, time period, what's the meaning of RMS value, meaning of average value, form factor, phase difference. So let's start with the terms related to AC sine wave. Here I have one figure. In x-axis we have taken time period or degree or radian, and on y-axis we have taken amplitude of voltage vector or current. So here having one positive half cycle and here having one negative half cycle. This will form one full cycle. 0 to 180 degree there is a positive half cycle, and 180 to 360 degree there is a negative half cycle. So let's see each of the definition in brief. So first definition is of cycle. As we know that alternating EMF starts from 0. It will try to increase. It will try to increase up to 90 degree. At 90 degree it will become maximum. After 90 degree it will try to reduces. And at 180 degree it will become again 0. So after 180 degree again it will try to increase in negative direction. And 270 degree again it will become negative maximum. At 360 degree again it will become 0. So this will form one positive half cycle and negative half cycle, and it will form one full cycle. So this is called cycle. Let's see second definition is of time period. Unit of time period is second, and time period is expressed as capital T. Time required to complete one cycle is called the time period, and generally it is for 50 Hz it is 0.02 second. Let's see third definition is of frequency. Let's define the frequency. Frequency is expressed as capital F. Unit of frequency is Hertz or cycle per second. Exact definition of frequency is number of cycle will complete within 1 second is called frequency. Let's see instantaneous value. So as we know that alternating value continuously vary with the time. Any value on sine wave for particular time period t is called the alternating instantaneous value for that time. Let's see maximum value. The highest peak value on AC sine wave is called the maximum value for that sine wave. Let's understand RMS value. RMS means square value. So as we know that alternating quantity continuously vary with the time, whereas DC quantity remain fixed with the time. So to measure alternating quantity it is very difficult because alternating quantity will change on a particular time period. So here having one waveform, on x-axis we have taken time period or angle in radian or angle in degree. On y-axis we have taken amplitude of voltage or current. Here this is the equation for alternating quantity, that is A is equal to AM into sin omega t, where AM is maximum value and omega t is angle in radian. So let's understand definition of RMS value in brief. So RMS value also called as DC equivalent value, because to find out RMS value we have to compare alternating wave with some standard value, that is DC value. Let's see definition of RMS value. Suppose we have one resistor. Let's inject some DC current, X amount of DC current in particular resistor. Then Y amount of heat will generate for particular time duration T. Now to generate same amount of heat in that resistor, required amount of AC current is called the RMS value of alternating quantity. Here this is the line for RMS value, that is ARMS is equal to AMX into 0.707. It means RMS value is 70.7% of maximum value. Also we are getting 230 volt in domestic houses, that is the RMS value, not an instantaneous or maximum value. And also we know that in laboratory there is equipment. Suppose we have one ammeter and range of ammeter is 0 to 10 ampere. Then this 10 ampere is RMS value. So that's the significance of RMS value. Let's see next term, that is the average value. So here also there is a wave. On x-axis we have taken time period or angle in degree or angle in radian. On y-axis we have taken amplitude of any alternating quantity, and this is the equation for alternating EMF. Here there is a line which indicates the average value, that is average value is equal to 0.637 into maximum value. It means average value is 63.7% of maximum value. Let's define average value in brief. So as we know that average value for full cycle is always 0, because here having one positive half cycle and negative half cycle. So positive half cycle and negative half cycle will cancel out each other. So average of positive half and negative half is always 0. So we have to consider average value for half cycle. So we will find average value for only half cycle. Let's understand definition of average value. Suppose we have one circuit, and if we inject X amount of DC current in this circuit, then Q amount of charge will transfer for particular time duration T. Now, to transfer same amount of charge for particular time duration t, required amount of AC current is called the average value for that current. Generally, it is 63.7% of maximum value. Generally, average value used for calculation of rectifier and battery charging process. Let's see various factors related to sine wave, that is form factor and peak factor. Let's define first factor, that is form factor, which expressed as Kf. Ratio of RMS value and average value is called the form factor. And for alternating AC sine wave, that is 1.11. Second factor is peak factor or crest factor, which expresses as Kp. Ratio of maximum value and RMS value is called the peak factor, and this value is 1.414. Let's understand meaning of phase. Here also having one figure. On x-axis we have taken time period or angle in degree or angle in radian, or y-axis we have taken amplitude of voltage and current. There is two alternating wave, that is voltage wave and current wave. Phase means time required to alternating quantity to reach at any value is called the phase. Suppose RMS value it requires t1 time, suppose maximum value it requires t2 time. So there is difference of time. This phase expressed in terms of second, degree or radian. So here both of the quantity will start from 0 degree. It will become maximum on 90 degree. So it means to say that if both the quantity will start from 0 degree and both the quantity will become maximum on same time. So this is called the in phase quantity. It means both of the vector having 0 phase angle. Let's see phase difference. Here also having two wave, that is the voltage wave and current wave. But difference is that voltage wave start from 0 degree, whereas current wave start after 30 degree of voltage vector. So first voltage vector become maximum, after 30 degree current will become maximum. So both of the quantity require different time to reach at maximum value. So this is called a phase difference in between two waves. Let me give some of the question for assignment. The first is define following terms, that is frequency, maximum value, form factor, peak factor, instantaneous value, cycle, time period. Second is explain RMS value in brief. Third is explain average value in brief. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.